Minasa may batok. Masaya mo pangating ng pala. Video ko dali. Minasa may batok niya. Short video ko lang. Short. Cannot tired now. Video massage the ano. Back up the neck. Wow. Okay. Thank you, Mariano. Ay! Sino unang sasakay? Dalawa. Si Gona sa kasi ano? Summer. Later na ba malaglag pa sa ilog? Ngayon ka pa magsiselfon sa ilog.
Ay, ikaw na magdala.
Ay!
Hindi ako makakasakay.
Masakay na kayo. Dalawa. Tapos.
See guys, this is our life here in the farm. But we are happy. That is our life here. But we are enjoying happy.
Namarot ang gagalaw.
Just hold out. Iniwan niyo si Milky. Summer.
Nasa kalupot na.
Bitbit na mo na rin kahit ano.
Kunin mo na yung aso mo na pasakayin ulit. Dahil sasakay si Milky. Sama na ako dyan. Yeah, we are here in the house now. This is where we cook.
Baka gusto niyo mag-double burner.
Yes, diba double burner nga eh, bago eh.
Double burner.
Yeah.
Here in
This
farm.
store. See, we have a double burner. See, with ano, matawag yan, wood fire. Okay. This is our place here. Now, our nipa hut. And we have many bananas. Yes. Yeah. Pijong tired. He make coffee now. And April, coffee. Many dog. They are the guard dog. This is our simple nipa hut. Yeah. This is Milky, the beautiful dog. Of them all. Makulit lang. There where we sleep. There's a room here but no one sleep there inside. Oh, it's already broken na. Ano pala yung mga ano rin, mga harang. And we are many duck here. Duck. There's so many duck here like that, oh. Duck. Like that. Duck. Chicken. See? Oh, it's raining. See? If there's a typhoon, the flag come up here. But only until here. Not come up here in the house. Because the place of the house is little higher. See my granddaughter. See the pit of my granddaughter. She's very cowboy. Cowboy pala, cowgirl. See, that is our faucet here in the farm. See guys.
Hi guys! Maganda po magbobomba!
Yeah, maganda yung nagbobomba. The problem is, it's very hard to pump the faucet. I think we need to add one more metal inside. Deep. But the water is... Give me. Alright. This is our life here in the farm. But here is a fresh air. Masarap dito kasi tahimik. Very cozy place and have a fresh air. And here you don't problem foods, ulam. You want a fish, eat fish, go to the river. And yan, may mga panghuli kami ng isda. So ayan, lalo pag matubig na ganito, marami kami nahuli isda. This is our simple hut here. Simple house, nipa hut here in the farm. We are not rich, guys. We are not rich, but we are happy. Excuse me. It's fun if you see that. That is our farm. Guys, this is our farm. Pinaaming green. Hanggang doon, sa dulo doon. Kailan pagka may bagyo, ano, kung nakita yung mga vlog ko nung araw, maapaw talaga ang water dyan. There's a typhoon, big typhoon, and always raining. Like now, raining season, the farm is like that. So that's why it's very hard here to make rice, plant rice here, because it's rainy season. That's it. Because we are surrounded by the river. That's why the water, if the river overflow, the water come in here in the farm like this. See our bananas farm like that. Many bananas. Sweet banana, latundan, and saba banana. That's why we have many banana trees here in the farm. Okay. And I want to show you, this is the bamboo. Ano ba tawag dito sa bamboo na to? May tawag sila rito, nakalimutan ko na. There are two kinds of bamboo eh. Bayog, in Tagalog, this is the bayog. Here. And this is our tray, motor. This is not this is our tractor. Using it, we are planting rice. Okay. Asan na yung chicken dyan? Pwede nang hugasan. Uy! Yung tinapos sinalang mo na? Ano? Uy! Sunog na! Ay! Okay. There's no place. Okay, let's eat. Go. This is our life here in the farm. Simple but happy. Our food is this: tomatoes, sausawan with smoked fish.
Ulam ng bayan talaga.
Ibang ulam ko, walang ulo.
It's hot. Mainit. Okay guys, yan nakita niyo po, this is our life here in the farm together with my relatives. So simple, life is simple here. We are not rich but we are happy. So basta maging masipag ka lang rito sa bukid, mabubuhay ka. Ito po ang buhay bukid. So hanggang dito na lang po muna, at sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood, at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at nanonood ng aking mga vlog, and I hope you all enjoy watching it. So part 1 po ito ng pagpunta namin ngayon dito sa bahay na rito sa Nipahat, dito sa loob ng sa bukid. So may part 2 po ito kung ano pa man yung mga pwede kong gawin, manghuli ng kung ano, basta pakiabangan na lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless po. Bye bye. Thank you.